Many people tend to put off visiting nearby destinations, thinking they can go anytime. We finally decided to check out Achensee, the largest and one of the most scenic lakes in Tyrol, which is also relatively close to us. To get there, we took a train to Jenbach. From Jenbach, there are a few ways to reach the lake. You can either take a bus or ride the historic steam-coke railway. We decided to hike on Sunday, like through Austrians, and the destination is Achensee Lake. In Jenbach, we came to the train station, and from here we can either take another train or we can take a bus. It seems like a train will be in half an hour or so, so we'll be taking a bus. Another piece of information is that the train is supposed to be a bit pricey. Tickets start at 10 euros. Taking the railway can be a nice experience, but keep in mind that according to feedback from others, it's extremely slow and polluting since it's not electrified. Achensee is famous for its incredibly clear turquoise blue water, which comes from mountain springs and has visibility up to 10 meters deep in some areas. The lake is so clean that might even be used as drinking water. The lake is known for its fjord-like appearance. The lake is popular for various water activities including sailing, windsurfing and stand-up paddleboarding, thanks to steady winds that make it ideal for these sports. Scuba divers are also drawn to Achensee for its clear depths. The area has a vast network of hiking trails with various levels of difficulty, offering panoramic views of Achensee and the mountains. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.